The diagram represents a triangular prism of length 19 centimeters. The triangular cross-section has sides of length 10 centimeters, 11.3 centimeters, and 14 centimeters, and a height of 8 centimeters. And here, the question states, calculate the area of the cross-section. Now, the cross-section is this triangle, and so we have to figure out what is the area of the triangle. Now, the area of the cross-section is equal to the area of the triangle, and the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Here, the base is 14 centimeters, so here is the base. This is the base, 14 centimeters, and the height is 8 centimeters. And so we have 14 centimeters multiplied by 8 centimeters, and we divide that by 2. 14 centimeters multiplied by 8 centimeters is 112 centimeters squared. And if we divide that by 2, we get 56 centimeters squared. So 14 centimeters times 8 centimeters is 112 centimeters squared. We divide it by 2 and we get 56 centimeters squared. So the area of this cross section is 56 centimeters squared, which is the area of the rectangle, which is the area of the triangle. Next, we have to figure out the volume of the prism. Now, the volume of this prism is equal to the area of the cross section multiplied by the length. Now, we just saw that the area of the cross section is 56 centimeters squared, and the length is this. The length is 19 centimeters, so that's what we have here. And so what we have here is 56 centimeters squared multiplied by 19 centimeters, and that gives us 1,064 centimeters cubed, and that is the volume of this prism. All right, next we need to figure out what is the total surface area of the prism. And here I drew in these dashes so that you can have a visualization of what's happening with this prism. All right, so these red markings was not originally in the question, but I drew them in so that we can have a visualization of what's happening, so we could be able to better answer this question, or we could be able to answer this question more efficiently. Okay, so we have to figure out the total surface area of this prism. Now, in order for us to figure out the total surface area of the prism, we're going to find the areas of the different sides, or the areas of the different shapes that make up this prism. So we have to figure out the area of the different shapes that make up this prism, and then add them together, and then that will be the total surface area. So let's first deal with the area of the front triangle. So this is the front triangle right here. It has a base of 14 centimeters, and it has a height of 8 centimeters. So it's going to be 14 times 8, all divided by 2, which gives us 56 centimeters squared. And that's the area of the front triangle. Next, we have to figure out the area of the back triangle. So notice we have the triangle in the back. It has the same base, which is 14 centimeters, right? And it has the same height, which is 8 centimeters, just like the first one. And so base times height all over 2, and it's going to be 56 centimeters squared. So the area of the front triangle and the area of the back triangle are the same, 56 centimeters squared. Next, we need to figure out the area of the bottom rectangle. And so here we have the bottom rectangle right here. And we have to figure out the area of this bottom rectangle. Now, area of a rectangle is length times width. The length of this rectangle is 19 centimeters, which we have here, 19 centimeters. The width is 14 centimeters. And so 19 centimeters times 14 centimeters is 266 centimeters squared. And so the area of the bottom rectangle is 266 centimeters squared. Now we have to figure out the area of the right rectangle. So the right rectangle is going to be this one, right? Now the length of this right rectangle is, or the rectangle that's on the right, is 19 centimeters. That's the length. And the width is 11.3 centimeters. So we have 19 centimeters times 11.3 centimeters, which gives us 214.7 centimeters squared. And next, we have to figure out the area of the left rectangle, or the rectangle on the left, which is this one. All right. Now, it has a length of 19 because this length right here is 19, and these two lengths are identical, or they have the same length. And so 19 centimeters would be the length of this left rectangle. And so that's 19 centimeters. Now its width is going to be 10 centimeters, because if you notice carefully, this right here is the width, right? This is the width right here. So 10 centimeters times 19 centimeters, and that gives us 190 centimeters squared when we multiply them. Now for the total surface area of the prism, we have to add up all of these areas, add them all up together. And so we have 56 centimeters squared plus 56 centimeters squared plus 266 centimeters squared plus 214.7 centimeters squared plus 190 centimeters squared. And when we add them together, we get 782.7 centimeters squared. And that is the answer to this question. This is the total surface area. 782.7 centimeters squared is the total surface area of this prism.